If you need to go to the bathroom, just go. Okay, I started. All right. I'm going to talk about the jump, some of the notes, some of the look-fors that I'm going to share with you. It's like a general comment for everyone. Okay, I'm going to show you some of the mistakes, and it's kind of pretty high-level thinking if you're doing this in high school, but let's do it anyway. Okay, let's talk about this jump here, okay? So basically, some of the key poses are here. The neutral pose, looking hunched over, I'm not happy with. Okay, and this is my squash, and then between the squash, oh look, and the takeoff. Okay, the peel, I call the peel, right? So what we need to do is kind of find this, and another thing you will notice from 20 to 29, that's basically 9 frames. Okay, to do all this. So there's a little bit of a cutting through the floor, which is the problem for me. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and show you my reference and kind of count the frames, and we're going to think about what to do here. Okay, some observations. Also, I'm kind of looking down. I fixed this while we were talking. I'm looking down on the floor for my jump. What I want to do is look ahead as to where I want to go. So I don't want to be constantly looking down, even though you will see that's in my reference. And the reference is there as for information. We're not rotoscoping, we're not copying what we're doing, okay? So see, like something like over here, somewhere back here is neutral. I'm just gonna come down to my squash, coming down, right here. So what I'm doing is looking here. That is my reference, but that doesn't have to be in reality, okay? So that's one. Next, frame 1, I'm going forward 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to go to here. 8 frames, roughly. All right? So 8 frames. Doesn't mean I have to copy that, but roughly. So what I want to see here from us is I want the squash, and I want to go to the peel, which is right here before a peel. So that little bend. I can't do that because, you know. So basically, I want to peel out. So that would be my second key. 1, this is what I'm looking for on yours. 1, 2, and then 3 to this. So three keys, boys. 1, 2, and 3. If you use that, that's great. So for me, I need to kind of go back and review what I've done, okay? So if it's here, look, there's a bend here, which I'm not happy with. But then I go to 29. So basically, we're talking about 10 frames. So that's a long time. I have to fix that. However, if I press Option, comma, I go back frame by frame. Look at all the things I have to fix. Okay? So there's that right here. 2, 3. So already at maybe to get here, I can do this in 4 frames. This is no good. It's like the toe is basically the strength, and I don't want that, okay? Another thing, so I'm going to leave that with you. Another thing, I'm going to look at my apex. Boys. Okay, so here, the apex, I don't like where my knees are, where my feet are. Maybe I can tuck them up more. So I can make acting choices, okay? So that's another area. So from here, 29, so it's 6 frames. Not bad. And then what is it afterwards? 5, 3 frames, 3, and then I'm going to hold Option. Boom. Look at that. Going through the floor and then sliding back. Boy, I got to fix this. So I'm going to clean all these keys out, and I'm going to upload just the important poses that I need. Okay? So this looks like he's sliding into space. Okay? So look. Boom. Option. So there. I don't like this. Boom, boom, boom. Look. So I have to fix that. There's a lot of things to fix. So if you look over here, it should be coming down on the heel and planting itself. So those are things that you will do after the fact to fix up. It could be graph editor and so forth, okay? So anyway, and then I have a short hop, and then I look over, and let me just hold, and then I'm gonna look over, and eventually what I wanna do is give a thumbs up after that, okay? So when I get here, I don't know what version of this file is for me, I just picked one of them. Yeah, so I want to do a thumbs up afterwards with another blank, okay? So those are my choices. Hopefully this makes sense to you guys. Just without doing too many keys, just look at it and go, how does my neutral look? I don't like my neutral already. Look, I'm looking down. He's actually not looking ahead. So those are acting choices I need to clean up. Second one here, not bad. I don't like how my toes are, so I have to find out the controller and zero it out. If it's toe brake, I don't know if it is here. It's not there. It's not that, apparently. So I'll just leave that at 60. So I need to kind of figure out this rig I haven't used in a while. So it's got to be somewhere here. I don't know why that's not doing it. Okay, well, that's not there, so I'll figure it out. I don't like the way the toes are up, so I want it to be flat. And then here, I want to work between here, maybe 3 poses to make this work well. Okay, I need 3 full body poses. Boom, boom, and take off. 1, 2, 3, like that. That's it. I'm gonna stop here. Thanks. Hopefully this makes sense to everybody. Again, you'll come back afterwards, look at the hip, look at the arm swings, look at the arcs, look at the head rotations. Every part of the body needs to be cleaned up in the graph editor afterwards, way afterwards, okay? Thanks. That's it. This was a long one, I think.